Hello, brother. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine.
Yeah.
What is your name?
My name is Imdad Hussain.
This is Bilal. I think you are a business reporter in Manav Jomin.
Yeah.
Recently, what the price hit the onion? What the reason?
Our onion is two based. As like we have, most of them are importer. Our business groups are, most of them are importer. Onion business groups are importer, and some of these are local business. But most of them are importer. When some countries try to manipulate their import or export in our countries, then we suffer more and more.
I think recently the my country big onion the import Bharat, just India. Any times the import closes. What are the reasons? This is the political. Any political involved this?
They are more than a political. They are having internal. I think they are having internal problems. As like they suffer more. Most of the time they suffered flood situation and natural disasters. When they suffered, when they fall in natural disasters, and they need to use onions from their reserve. When they use from reserve, they need to export. They need to stop export from any country to any country. Though they have to stop export, then I as an importer in Bangladesh,
then affect my country.
Will affect.
Recently, many businessmen, the Orient distribute the.
One of the reason our businessmen are greedy. One of them in our country, our business persons are greedy. They always without any reason they reserve their
reserve stock.
They stocked their in their house. So
these businessmen, many businessmen stock their house, and any punishment.
There are not any punishment from government. There are, if any visible punishment from government.
How the rules of business law? Any businessman stock the products.
Business laws. There are many business law in our countries, but any business laws.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you. You are welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Catch you later.